How to delete your Tinder account permanently. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can delete your account permanently. For that, you have to head over to your Tinder app. Then make sure that you are logged into the specific Tinder account which you would like to delete. Once done, tap onto your profile on your bottom right hand side. You will see a page like this. Here tap on settings icon on your top page. At the settings page, you have to scroll all the way below, then you will see logout. Just below logout, you will see delete account button. Simply tap on delete account and it will give you an option of either pause your account or delete. Pausing your account will only temporarily delete it, but let's go ahead and tap on delete my account instead. You can give any reason that you would like. Now once done, again tap on delete my account. And lastly, your account has now been deleted. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.